Last week, we talked about how a car accident can lead to a long-term investigation to determine who pays for what. But that may not be the end of the story. When you have been devastated by the loss of a spouse or close family member, nothing can make you whole. But if your loved one died in a tragic accident caused by the negligence of someone else, you may be entitled to file a wrongful death lawsuit. Here to discuss this important topic is my law partner, Michael Solomon.
Hello, Lori.
So tell us briefly, what is a wrongful death case?
Well, it's basically, someone whose wrongful death is caused by someone's negligence, a third-party negligence. For example, it might be a doctor or a hospital with a patient who they've committed some malpractice and the patient passed away. You get an auto accident, as you mentioned, that could cause the death of somebody, or a long-term care facility. Maybe the resident passed away, and maybe because there was some negligence with the medicine or the general care, some sort of problem that was caused by someone not doing what they should have been doing.
Okay, so what kind of compensation are you entitled to in this kind of a case if you're a spouse or a family member?
Well, money damages that might be for a loss of consortium or companionship, or maybe additional costs, loss of health benefits, or funeral costs, any sort of costs that have resulted from this wrongful death.
Okay, and so it kind of sounds like that one size doesn't fit all. It depends on who died, under what circumstances, what happened, who was involved.
That's right. Yeah, I mean, the attorney is going to look at it and figure out, what sort of damages that you can legitimately ask for, because not everyone can get the same damages. Not everybody, gets a multi-million-dollar judgment as you read in the paper. So it's really someone's got to look at it very carefully to see what's realistic.
Okay, so is there any kind of a time limit for filing this kind of lawsuit?
Well, that's important. There is a general statute of limitations that, 2 years from the date of death is the general statute, but it all can be shorter also, depending on the sort of damages and accident that caused it. So it might be, for medical malpractice, for example, might be much shorter than 2 years. So don't sit on your rights, because then you'll lose it completely.
So you really need to go and ask what's going on and how long do you actually have to file some kind of an action.
Sit down with an attorney and figure out what your rights are.
Okay. Sounds like a very important decision. Yeah. While nothing can bring back a loved one, the purpose of the wrongful death lawsuit is to try to compensate you for some of the losses you have because of the death of your spouse or family member. For more information, please give Mike a call. His number is coming up next.
Call Solomon, Steiner and Peck at 1-888-236-5173 for more information, or to schedule a speaker for your organization. Or log on to www.ssnplaw.com.
Thanks for joining us. On next week's show, it's the Academy Awards. So who will win the Oscars? We'll preview the possibilities. Then, is your smile ready for the red carpet? We'll help you be worthy of any camera close-up. And if you're ready to sell your home, we'll unpack advice to help you with the big move. But until next week, please remember to make the most of your golden opportunities.
If you'd like to join our kitchen conversation, visit our website, www.goldenopportunities.tv. Like us on Facebook. Call us at 440-742-GO-TV, or email us at kitchen@goldenopportunities.tv. We'd love to hear from you.
Golden Opportunities is paid for by Elder Productions.